Hey millennials. Oh, I was just having a look at two Gen Z girls. So yeah, uh, Gen Zs, I really don't care if you say that big fat auntie, just shut up. But anyways, ways. So what I wanted to say is, hi millennials. बस करो यार, आप Gen Zs को सिखा नहीं सकते हो. So just let them be. Now, why I say so? Because there are two major problems with the Gen Z's psychological problem. Okay, some of them feel very entitled. I'll come to the experiences that I have had because I need to take care of Gen Z's a lot these days. So one is they feel very entitled, and the second thing is the way they have been brought up in the world that they are seeing around them. Very simple thing, guys. As millennials, we've made mistakes, we've learned our lessons, we've evolved from that. Okay, but and down the line we've all learned that we are not seeking any external validation for ourselves. But with Gen Z's, it's completely different. The only thing that they understand and know is external validation. What I am doing, every step that I am taking, how is it making the world feel about me? That's why they are always following they are chasing the trends basically. So with that, I won't say that they're not intelligent. Okay, they are, and they can be, trust me when I say they can be more street smart than us. But the problem here is they don't know the main funda of decisive decision making. So that leads us to the question which all millennials we are worried about, that what we understand, right, the depth of things, having to deal with very tough situations in our life and not running away. About culture, what culture actually is, what respect is. Don't expect much of that from the Gen Zs. I'm talking to you millennials. Rather, I would say most of you millennials are now parents to alpha generation, right? So if you are expecting Gen Z, at least what I'm seeing until now, you can't really expect Gen Zs to carry on your legacy and your creations, millennials, all of you. And I'm afraid that our legacies, our creations might be just buried with us, when our time comes to leave the world one day. But there's a way we can avoid that, and that's where I was telling most of you millennials are parents to the alpha, so don't have much hopes from the Gen Zs. If they are turning around, well and good. If not, then you still have time to raise your alphas in such a way that your legacy and your creations can continue and the world doesn't get doomed. I mean, look around millennials. The whole reason we are having generative AI and now we all are getting into agentic AI and further on over the next 5 years, that's because Gen Zs will not be able to use this much. I'm sure you all are experiencing. And that's why the technology of the world, partly why the Gen Zs are this way, the way they are, is because of the evolved technology, and it is going to get worse when it comes to them using their brains because AI will do everything for them. Let the Gen Zs be comfortable with doing things and living life with the whole, AI concept. And let's keep our fingers crossed that alpha will not be the way Gen Zs are, and they will be the ones who are most spiritually, psychologically, emotionally, whatever you say, evolved, and can carry ahead the legacy stuffs that millennials have created in the world. So love you millennials.